Hello student, today we'll see programming on timer 0. We have already seen control registers related to timer 0 and the registers which hold the count for timer delay. Here I have taken one example, write C18 program to toggle only port B 0.4 bit continuously every 50 milliseconds. Use timer 0 16 bit mode, the 1:4 prescaler to create the delay. Assume crystal frequency 10 megahertz. So what is the configuration? Timer 0 16 bit mode, 1:4 prescaler. So we have to take account in T0 con. So here initially we are not turning on timer 0, so that's why it's a 0. Then T0 8 bit, this is used for the 8 bit or 16 bit. Now we are using only 16 bit mode, so it's 0. If it is 1, then it use the 8 bit. Then we are using internal clock frequency, so it's a 0. Then we are using prescaler, so this bit will decide whether the program is prescaler or not. So if you don't want to use the prescaler, bypass the prescaler, this bit will become 1, otherwise 0. If you are using prescaler, then this bit will be 0, and the rest of the 3 bits will decide the what pattern you want or what prescaler type you want, 1:2 or 1:4, 1:8, 1:16. So like that. Here 1:4 we are using 001 prescaler. Then for the crystal frequency 10 megahertz, T on we want T on is 50 milliseconds. That means this bit will toggle means on high for 50 milliseconds and low for 50 milliseconds. So T on will be 50 milliseconds. The count will be here. This count will comes into the T0 con. Now we have to select the count. F oscillator is 10 megahertz. 4 machine cycles, that's why divided by 4, and we are using 1:4 prescaler, so that's why it's 1 again. It again dividing the 4, so your frequency will be 62.5 kilohertz. And the time of this, we know the relation between the frequency and time is vice versa. So it the 1/1, this 1/62.5 comes 1.6 microseconds. The count will be T on, this T on 50 milliseconds divided by T oscillator gives the count 31,250. So we are using 16 bit timer, so 2 raised to 16 comes 65,536. So 65,536 minus 31,250, it comes 34,286. It is in decimal form. We want hex form 85,000 85 double E. So this EE will be goes into the TMR 0L and TMR OH. So this bit EE will go into the TMR 0L and 85 will go into the TMR OH. So we'll see the program. Hash include, we are defining the header file for the PKT. Now function defined for the T0 delay. Then which bit you want to toggle, that is defined by the variable myBit. Now we'll start with the main program. Trisbits.trisb4 is equal to 0. It gives the, that means your port B, fourth pin will be output pin. Now we want continuous toggle, so it's a while one. myBit, this is for the toggling purpose. Then T0 delay will comes here. T0 con is equal to 01. TMROH comes with the 85. and TMR0L will comes with the 033. T0 con bits dot TMRON is equal to 1. Now we are turn oning the timer 0. While INT con, so in earlier lectures we have seen what are the steps are there. So one bit from interrupt register we have to monitor whether the timer is get overflow or what. See, the one bit from interrupt is the nothing but the INT con bits. The INT con bits, INT con, the register INT con from 8-bit register TMROF is used to see the status of overflow of timer. If it is overflow, then this timer flag will be raised. So we have to reset it, that timer, then reset the timer, make the count 0 0 and again start the counting to make it repeatable. Thank you, student.